What if I told you there's a secret that separates the rich from the poor? A hidden line that determines whether you'll spend your entire life working hard or achieve the ultimate freedom of never having to work again. Sounds unbelievable, right? Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, reveals this exact concept in what he calls the Cash Flow Quadrant. According to him, being on the wrong side of this quadrant means you're trapped in an endless cycle, working for money in search of security. But those on the right side? They've unlocked the key to freedom, where money works for them, not the other way around. Today, we're diving into 8 assets that can transform your life and help you escape the rat race forever. And the first one is a game changer, yet one that most people are too afraid to tackle: building a business that truly works. Have you ever wondered how successful entrepreneurs manage to amass billions in a single lifetime? It's almost as if they've discovered a secret formula hidden from the rest of us. But here's the truth. There's no magic trick, no shortcuts. Building a profitable business takes relentless effort and an unwavering vision. Yet, here's the kicker. A business is the single most powerful foundation for creating lasting wealth. When done right, it not only generates profits, but also creates a system that works for you, even while you sleep. Hollywood might have sold us the idea that the ultra-rich are corrupt and soulless, but this mindset is what keeps most people stuck in mediocrity. The reality? Successful entrepreneurs pour their heart, soul, and sweat into what they build. They don't just spot opportunities where others see obstacles. They create systems that can grow far beyond themselves. So, what's the real difference between someone running a small shop and someone building a global empire? Stick around, because we're just getting started. Every self-made billionaire you've ever heard of, whether it's Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Mark Zuckerberg, has one undeniable thing in common. Their wealth was built through relentless hard work and a strategic approach to creating assets. But here's the crucial distinction. Rich entrepreneurs work intensely for a few years to create something that lasts a lifetime, while employees often work hard their entire lives, only to remain trapped in the cycle of earning just enough to survive. It's the classic difference between active income, where you trade your time for money, and passive income, where money works for you. Think about this. Entrepreneurs design businesses that continue to generate income long after their effort has been put in. Meanwhile, employees are bound to their paychecks, living month to month, often unable to build financial security for themselves, let alone for their children. This stark reality? Entrepreneurs leave a legacy of wealth and opportunity for future generations, while employees risk dying broke with nothing left behind. This is why entrepreneurship stands as the ultimate game changer. But if starting a business isn't within your reach right now, don't worry. There's another asset that's just as powerful for breaking free from the rat race: real estate. While building a business is an extraordinary way to amass wealth, it's not the only path. We all come from different financial situations, and for many, having a stable job with benefits is not just a preference, it's a necessity. Walking away from that stability to dive into the uncertainties of entrepreneurship isn't a risk everyone can afford to take. And that's okay, because there's another way to achieve financial freedom, one that doesn't require leaving your job overnight. Real estate has long been a proven method for creating wealth. The key lies in making smart investment decisions at the right time in your life. Whether it's buying properties to rent out, flipping homes, or simply owning land that appreciates over time, real estate provides an opportunity to build wealth passively. Unlike a paycheck, which disappears after every spending cycle, real estate builds equity over time, steadily increasing your net worth. It's a way to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck grind without sacrificing everything you've worked hard to build. And if you think real estate is only for the wealthy, think again. Stick with me, and I'll show you how even small steps in the right direction can lead to extraordinary results. When you're young and earning an average salary, the idea of buying real estate can feel like a distant dream. But here's the game changer. You don't need to rely solely on your own savings. Enter the concept of OPM, other people's money, a strategy championed by Robert Kiyosaki. Simply put, OPM encourages you to borrow money to purchase rental properties. Why? because these properties do more than just give you a place to call your own. They create a second income stream alongside your 9-to-5 job. Here's how it works. The rental income from these properties covers your mortgage payments, maintenance costs, and other expenses, while still leaving you with extra cash in your pocket. Plus, investing in real estate comes with a bonus significant tax breaks. Think of it as free money from the government for investing wisely. Over time, as you acquire more rental properties, you'll find yourself less dependent on your next paycheck. That's when true financial freedom begins. Your assets are now working for you, not the other way around. And the best part? This isn't just about securing your financial future. It's about building a legacy. By creating multiple streams of passive income, you're crafting wealth that can be passed down to future generations. Now, let's be real. While businesses and real estate are incredible tools for building wealth, they both require significant time and effort up front. But what if your schedule doesn't allow for that? After all, most people are already stretched thin, working 10 to 12 hours a day just to make ends meet. Does that mean financial freedom is out of reach? Not at all. Robert Kiyosaki offers a third pathway: paper assets. This approach revolves around disciplined spending habits and strategic investments in financial instruments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds (ETFs). Unlike real estate or businesses, paper assets don't demand hands-on involvement or massive amounts of time. Instead, they work silently in the background, growing your wealth one step at a time. The best part? Even small, consistent investments can lead to substantial returns over the years. If you've ever felt like you don't have the time, energy, or resources to break free from the rat race, paper assets might just be the key you've been searching for. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this method, uncovering how you can start with as little as a few dollars and gradually build a financial empire. If you're short on time and money, diving into paper assets could be your easiest path toward financial freedom. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on weekly outings to pubs or bars, why not redirect that cash into investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or government securities (GSECs). These investment instruments cater to different risk levels, allowing you to tailor your strategy to your risk tolerance. The beauty of paper assets is their simplicity. They free you from the responsibilities of managing a business or maintaining real estate while giving you the opportunity to invest in already successful, profit-generating companies. The more you save and invest, the faster you'll escape the 9-to-5 grind. Over time, this creates space in your life for something even more powerful: the ability to build additional streams of passive income. That's the secret to accelerating your financial independence. What starts as small, consistent contributions to your portfolio can snowball into a life of abundance and freedom. And if you think you can't start because you don't have much to spare, think again. Even a few dollars invested wisely can pave the way for a secure financial future. Stick around, because there's an even more timeless asset that's as old as human civilization itself: commodities. Here's something most people don't think about. Why does the dollar's value constantly fluctuate? It's because paper money, in reality, isn't real wealth. It's a human construct, valuable only because governments say it is. And the scary part? Governments can print more of it whenever they want, diluting its worth. This means the dollar, and any paper currency, has no intrinsic value. While the US dollar may currently reign as the most valuable currency due to America's superpower status, what happens if another nation overtakes the US on the global stage? That nation's currency would replace the dollar, making your paper savings potentially worthless. This is why ultra-rich individuals diversify their assets into what Robert Kiyosaki calls God's money. Commodities like gold, silver, oil, and even essential resources such as food grains and meat hold intrinsic value. These are resources humanity will always need, making them irreplaceable in the long term. Commodities transcend the vulnerabilities of paper currency and offer a shield against inflation, political shifts, and economic downturns. Think about it. While a banknote might lose its worth overnight, a bar of gold or a barrel of oil will always be in demand. For the ultra-wealthy, commodities aren't just an investment. they're a guarantee of intergenerational wealth and security. You've heard the saying, time is money. But have you ever stopped to think about why? According to economists, time is the most precious resource we have. Money can be lost and regained, even squandered, but time, once gone, is gone forever. This is why leveraging your time wisely is crucial, especially when it comes to building wealth. Consider this. Most NFL players go bankrupt shortly after earning their first $1 million. Why? Because they misuse their time, assuming their wealth will last forever. But those who understand the value of time know that it's the ultimate multiplier for success. If you're young, you hold the greatest asset of all, time. Starting early allows you to take risks, learn from failures, and recover financially, something much harder to do in your later years. For instance, someone who begins investing at age 20 will accumulate far more wealth than someone who starts at 30, even if they invest the same amount of money. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, has often attributed his success to the simple fact that he started young. Time isn't just an asset, it's an accelerator. But here's the catch. It's not just about starting early, it's about using your time wisely. A typical 5-day work week leaves you with 2 full days to invest in yourself. What will you do with them? Will you spend those hours in bars, watching movies, or scrolling on your phone? Or will you seize the opportunity to upgrade your skills, start a side hustle, pursue a promotion, or even follow a passion that could transform your life? Every hour you invest in yourself compounds over time, creating opportunities that could lead to financial independence or an entirely new path you never imagined. Your time is ticking. How will you spend it? Whether you're building new skills or compounding your wealth through smart investments, the choices you make today determine the life you'll live tomorrow. So don't waste it, invest it. Now let's talk about a type of asset that's exploded in value over the past decade: online assets. Think about this. What does it cost to start a YouTube channel? Nothing. Yet, that free platform has transformed countless people into millionaires. Whether you've learned a new recipe, a DIY trick, or been inspired by a motivational video, YouTube has likely added value to your life. So, why not flip the perspective? What are you good at? Maybe you're an incredible cook, a great storyteller, or a tech whiz. Your knowledge and skills could help millions who are searching for the very expertise you have. When you start sharing what you know through videos, blogs, or online courses, you're not just helping others, you're building wealth. The more people your content reaches, the greater your chance of earning through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even product sales. And it's not just YouTube. From blogs and websites to online courses and social media pages, the digital world offers infinite opportunities to generate passive income. The beauty of online assets is scalability. A single video or course can earn you income long after it's created, working for you 24/7. The best part? It doesn't require massive upfront investment, only creativity and consistency. With the internet, the only limit is your imagination. So, why not take the first step today? Your skills could be the gateway to a stream of income you never thought possible. But there's still one more key ingredient to tie everything together: the power of your mindset. Health also is one of the most important assets for financial stability. If you neglect your health, it can lead to medical bills, missed work, and a decline in productivity, which can drain your wealth. For example, someone who works long hours but ignores their physical well-being might develop chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, leading to high medical costs and reduced income from time off work. This cycle can make it hard to build wealth and can leave you financially stressed. On the other hand, good health boosts energy, focus, and productivity, directly contributing to financial success. A healthy entrepreneur or employee can work longer hours, make better decisions, and maintain a steady income. For example, a well-rested, active sales rep will have the energy to meet more clients, close deals, and earn more. Investing in your health by exercising, eating well, and reducing stress ensures that you can continue to work efficiently and build wealth over time. Health is the foundation that allows you to achieve long-term financial stability. Another critical asset for long-term wealth is your network. There's a saying, a happy client is a referring client. This simple phrase speaks volumes about the power of word of mouth and reputation in business. Delivering great work is only part of the equation. You also need to build relationships and get people talking about you. For example, if you start a catering business, every party you cater not only adds to your experience, but also expands your network. If the guests love your food, they'll call you for their next event. This illustrates why it's important to market yourself and make sure people know about your skills. Don't just wait for success to come to you. Actively promote your services and build goodwill. By doing so, you'll create a continuous cycle of growth and opportunities. This is the Climbing Wealth channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more personal finance videos. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the strategies and mindsets of the world's most successful people. Until then, keep climbing.